Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shamsi Creation. How are you friends? Hope that you all are fine, you all are good and doing very well and doing very great. In today's video viewers, I am going to show you very latest collection and very beautiful collection of wedding cakes designs ideas. This is a very special video for you. These all cakes are special designs for wedding, so you can select your idea according to your choice. Viewers, first of all, if you don't have subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, and after subscribing my channel, press the bell icon button so you will get all the notifications of my videos. Hope you are enjoying my ideas and you are loving these ideas. This video is helpful for you and lovable for you. Hope so. Keep watching my videos, keep sharing my ideas with your friends, with your fellows. Give me your feedback. How was the video, how was the designs, and which type of material you want to see on my channel. You can comment in the comment section. Viewers, I'm uploaded almost 200 plus pictures on my channel on daily basis to provide them very good and amazing ideas. Goodbye viewers, take care till the next video.